Welcome to our channel One Step where we post tutorial videos. And in today's video, I will teach you guys how you guys can change your Apple ID name. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. So it's pretty simple to change your Apple ID name, so just follow the step. First thing, you open the setting of your iPhone. And once you open the setting of your iPhone, at the top over here, mine says Richie Kevin. So that's the current name of my iPhone. So in your iPhone, it's going to show you whatever name you currently have. So in order to change that, you want to click on the current name you have, which means I have to click on where it says Richie Kevin. In your case, you have to click on whatever name is shown on your screen. Click on it. Now, once you're in this step, what you can do is the first option where it says name, phone number, email, you want to click on it. Because we want to change our name and it clearly says name over here, so click on it. Now, once you're inside your Apple ID, at the top where it says name, click on it. Once you click on your name, it's going to bring you over here. So over here it says Richie Kevin, my first name, and Kevin, my last name. So let's say I want to change my first name. I will click on first and I will just edit it into something else. I will just write Jake, and for my last name I will just change it to Knowledge. I'm just going to write random thing over here. So if I click on done at the top right, as you guys can see, my name over here has changed into Jake Knowledge. It's not knowledge, it's random, but you know what I'm trying to say. Basically, my name has changed. So that's how you guys can change your Apple ID name. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I will see you guys next time.